All right, gonna fill up so we can get on the journey. We're on our way, right around 2,000 pounds. Sometimes I gotta adjust this. Ready to go. Okay, gonna reset the fuel economy and get on the road. About halfway through the trip, hovering 11.7 miles per gallon. Haven't had a regen, it doesn't look like. About an hour and 23 minutes, 85 miles, 11.7 miles per gallon. All right, we finally got to the campsite. Got about 12.1 miles per gallon going there. Pretty happy with that.
What's going on, guys? I got the 2022 F350 Super Duty Diesel, towing a Rockwood 2706. It's about a 32-foot camper. Not the lightest camper, but this truck tows it no problem. It's incredible. Helping my buddy Barry out. A little comparison test. It's a nice hot day. My tire pressure has increased significantly, so I'll pop back out and might fiddle with that. But I'm gonna reset this here. We'll get going.
Look at this beast coming in.
What's up, people?
What's up, dude? Trip 1?
Yeah.
Okay, 12.4. Dude, we almost got identical. 12.4, 12.1. Perfect. All right, 30-second method. 15.5 gallons. Okay, the computer says 12 miles per gallon. 181 miles in this trip. 15.5 gallons. See what hand calculated is.
Made it home with the 2022 F350. Towing about a 32-foot travel trailer. Reset the trip meter, and we got on the way home. A couple miles per gallon less, which is kind of surprising. I was going about 72 most of the way, hit a little bit of traffic, had to stop a couple of times, so those on-ramps affected it for sure. And then total trip there and back was 11.3 miles per gallon. There you have it.
This completes the first towing loop comparison between the 2022 and the 2023 F350 single rear wheel trucks with our travel trailers. I lost some video footage, but I ended up getting an overall average of 11.1 miles per gallon towing our Freedom Express. The return trip, I ended up getting 10.6 miles per gallon. Mike and I were both bucking a little bit more wind on the return trip, and we were traveling a little bit faster speed. Both of our families wanted to get home, so unsurprising, we typically get worse fuel economy on our return trips. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.